guys, I'm Mirabella. This is my channel. Hey Sprinkles, can you do me a big favor? Hit that like button and don't forget to hit that subscribe button too if you want to see more of me. Today we're doing a science experiment. Oh guys, it's pretty. That's a little cool science experiment. Come on, let's go.
Hey Mirabella,
Yes?
what do April showers bring?
Mayflowers.
And what do Mayflowers bring?
I don't know,
Pilgrims.
Get a joke, Sprinkle? Science! Hi, Sprinkles. Today we're going to make a walking rainbow. What are the supplies that we're going to need?
What supplies do we need? I'm glad you asked. Sprinkles, first we're gonna need some cups. You can either use glass cups or plastic. We have some plastic cups
And
here.
we have
And Mirabella, can you...
color.
Oh, yep, we're not there yet. Can you tell them how many cups they're gonna need?
They're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 cups. And if you notice over here, we have red food coloring, yellow food coloring, and blue food coloring. Those are the only 3 colors you're gonna need in today's experiment. And if you notice, we have some water already filled in some of these cups, every odd one. First, third, fifth, and 7th cup have water. And the water is filled about 2/3 of the way to the top. And you're going to need some paper towels to make this walking rainbow happen. And I just use the half sheets. It depends how absorbent your paper towel is. I fold it in 4ths, okay? And there's 6 of them. If you use a really absorbent brand like Bounty paper towels, it's gonna take a little bit longer for your rainbow to walk across the water. But if you use a less expensive brand, it's probably gonna happen much quicker. So is our experiment gonna happen right away?
No.
Do we have to observe it?
We have to wait for the time to come so it can make a walking rainbow. And what's really gonna happen is we're gonna mix the food coloring up and pour it into these do you see these empty glasses right here? That paper towel is gonna travel with the colors.
And do you know how that happens?
How?
How can water travel up? Doesn't gravity pull the water down?
Yeah.
Do you know how? It's called capillary action. Do you see the paper towels?
Yeah.
The paper towels have little fibers and grooves in them that act just like the stem of flowers and trees.
Yes.
Do you know how trees get the water to their
Yes.
leaves? How? Through the
Root.
Yes, so that's what's going to happen here in our walking rainbow experiment. So let's get started with adding the food coloring.
Okay.
Are you ready?
First, we're gonna put the red in.
All right, Sprinkles, we're going to put 10 red drops in the first
Alright, you're gonna see it.
cup.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right, that's good. That's a lot. Sometimes you accidentally add more, and that's okay. So the first cup is red. And then Mirabella's going to add the same amount to the 7th cup of red food coloring. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And we'll close that up, and we'll get to the next color.
Next drop we're gonna add is yellow.
And we're going to add same amount of drops, at least 10, in the 3rd cup of water.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, and that's the only cup that gets yellow. Last color up is going to be blue.
blue.
Mirabella's gonna open up the blue and put the same amount of drops in the 5th cup of water.
Oh, so it looks all splat already.
So at least 10 drops.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And if you want sprinkles, you can then take a spoon
And
separate for
mix
each
it.
color and mix it up a little bit in each cup. And we're gonna take a moment to do that just so the food coloring is mixed evenly in each cup of water.
Hey, Sprinkles, comment down below if you've seen the rainbow. We just saw it yesterday.
So now all the colors have been mixed in each glass.
And
The
now-
1st, the 3rd, the 5th, and the 7th.
And now we're gonna do an arc.
The arc with the paper towels. And you want sprinkles to make sure it's halfway evenly between each cup. So the first paper towel is gonna go half in the red and half in the empty. Can I have the next one, Mirabella?
I see gold.
Ooh, sprinkles, do you see some activity happening already? Now I'm gonna take the next paper towel and put it halfway in the empty and then halfway in the yellow cup. Okay? Then I'm gonna take the 3rd paper towel and stick it in with the yellow and half in the other. And you gotta be careful because it's absorbing the water quickly. Now I'm gonna take the next paper towel, the 4th one, stick it in the empty, and put the other half in the blue cup. Okay. Then I'm gonna take the 5th one, I'm gonna put it in the empty one first, then bend it and put this one on the other side of it. Okay. And then the last one, the 6th paper towel, is gonna go in the empty and in the last cup of red.
Oh my gosh! Sprinkles, what do you think is gonna happen? Is there gonna be red, blue, yellow, red in there, or is there gonna be other colors?
Stay tuned and find out.
And now we have to wait for like 20 minutes, but not you. We'll be right back. It's been 20 minutes already. Now we're gonna have to wait for 40 minutes. But you don't.
We'll be back.
Here's your snack,
be back.
Mirabella.
Oh, yay.
Snack if you got 'em.
We're back, Sprinkles. It's been 1 hour.
As you can see, we not only have some purple in the 6th cup, but now we have some filling up here in our 4th cup. And Mirabella, what does yellow and blue make?
Blue.
What color is that cup gonna turn?
A bluish.
A bluish what? Green.
And what
And if you notice over here, our 2nd cup has some water in it. And we have red and yellow. And red and yellow make what
does
color?
purple and blue make?
What cup? Mirabella, are you taking over the show here? We're over here. 2nd cup. Ready?
No.
Red and yellow makes orange. And Sprinkles, you're probably wondering why the red looks a little purple. And why is that?
Probably grown-ups you know, and probably kids you know, but some kids that out there that don't know what purple and blue is, I'm gonna make it an outline. What red and blue makes. It makes purple, my favorite color.
Good. And as I was saying, the reason this red looks a little pink, Sprinkles, is because we used a plant food-based coloring. and it's probably the red that they pulled out of beets to get the red coloring. But if you, Sprinkles, do this experiment at home, you can use the basic food coloring, and that will give you the basic red color along with the yellow, blue, and green.
Anyways, this is really healthy food coloring, and exactly that there's actually a green one. All of a sudden, an idea popped in my head saying, now we can make green eggs and ham, like a joke.
Because it's healthy,
Yeah.
plant-based food coloring.
Yeah, so it's like we can like dip the food coloring into the egg, but not any ham because I don't like ham.
We will for sure try that.
Yeah.
So Sprinkles, since it's only been 1 hour and we don't have full cups yet,
We're gonna
go take a walk because it's 81 degrees out today.
That sounds hot. Very.
Welcoming the hot heat.
Very.
Summer is coming.
Summer,
So we'll see you in probably 2 more hours, Sprinkle. We'll let you know. Bye.
Back from our 2-mile hike in the woods. Oh, look what happened. Wow. Look at that. That made red. That made orange. That made blue. That made purple. Whoa. And the paper towels. Look at the paper towels.
Thanks for joining us, Sprinkles. Remember, this took about 4 to 4.5 hours for the rainbow effect to happen. Wasn't this interesting to see the rainbow walk, Mirabella?
Yeah, it was. TB, was it cool of you seeing the rainbow walk when you were gone? Hey, Sprinkles, check out merch. What do you mean you don't like turtles? Peh! Peh! Peh!
If you're interested in any of our merchandise, check out the link in our description below, or you can go on our main channel page. Turtly awesome. Mirabella TV.
Thanks for joining us, Sprinkles. Don't forget to smash that little like button. Right there. Smash it, smash it, smash it.